Hey, welcome back. We're inside the Quantum now. Hey, you can hear train. Listen. There it is. So, hey, we're here. We're talking about noise, so it's good the train's going by. But every RV has a water pump. That water pump goes boom, 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 boom. You know, the thing is, again, you spend a lot of money for these things, but they cut corners, all right? Here's the corner they cut. That's that water pump right there making all that noise. Wow, hey, that makes noise. When it gets water in it, probably gonna pound even harder. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna fix that, what they should have done from the factory. So here's what we did. Took out one of the mounting screws, see how long it was. Bought some rubber feet at Ace Hardware. Screw goes through it, and it's almost as long through it as it is the screw we took out. So this should work. So let's take all the screws out and put these in. All right, screws are out. Now it's a matter of getting one of the long ones through the hole, which we know it goes, and getting a little rubber footy. Now this lifts up. Okay, we got a power driver for these. All right, so now we're rubber mounted. See how much quieter that is? That's that water pump right there making all that noise. See how much quieter that is? Hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss these. We got other things we're going to do to the Quantum over time here. Soon we'll be painting that tire rack and getting that finished. We're going to do a polishing on the outside. We'll show you how to make your RV look like a new one. Eventually, we keep it in the garage, so we'll be good. But then we're going to work on storage bins and how to get a lot of stuff loaded in your storage bins. So, catch you in another video. Meanwhile, be safe.